Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, I'm gonna tell you a little tip you can do to push your telekinetic abilities. For that, I have to tell you a little story. At work, where I work, at the bookstore, they gave us coupons and gift cards just to show their appreciation. And my gift card gave me, a massage. I could get a professional massage. So I went there. So for the very first time in my life, I've gotten a professional massage. I wasn't thinking much of that. I was just there to enjoy it. Well, as much there was to enjoy. It was very painful. The way this man massaged my back, it hurt. And I could tell how much tension there was stored in my back and in my body. So I figured, okay, that's good. I'm getting a massage and all this tension gets released. I was very happy and I felt great afterwards. But then this thing happened. I got home and literally I felt all the connections to all those objects around me I've been doing telekinesis with. I felt it so strong. And then I decided, okay, I'm gonna do telekinesis to this. And it worked right away, without any meditation, without any connection building. It just worked, without any breathing either. So I was so confused, because you know how telekinesis works. You have to meditate, you have to mentally prepare, you have to breathe, you have to prepare your body. But I just stepped into my living room and I could do telekinesis to whatever object I wanted, just like this. And that just showed me and taught me, if you release all this tension you have, not just mentally, also physically, all this tension in your body, then telekinesis is way easier. So for you who is watching this video, I recommend lose this tension. Do it through a massage. Massage yourself. Ask your brother or sister or mother or father to give you a massage. Or if you can afford it, go get a professional one. And that could help you with your telekinesis. It did help me. And it taught me something. And this is so beautiful about this art that I still, after 15, almost 16 years experience, I still learn new things. So that's pretty much it for this video. Relax your mind, but also your body if you want to do telekinesis. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here